In this video, we're going to look at how to convert hours to time using a basic arithmetic formula. In this example, we have a list of hours in column B, and what we're going to do here is to convert these hours into a time format such as hours and minutes. The formula that we're going to use here to convert hours into time is a simple arithmetic formula without the need to use any of the Excel functions. All this formula is going to do is to divide the number of hours by the total hours in a day, which is 24. So let's begin by entering the formula into cell C3. We'll first select the cell that captures the hours. In this case, that's going to be cell B3. So let's key that in, equals B3. Then we're going to divide this by 24, which is the number of hours in a day. So let's enter this into the formula, divide 24, and then press the enter key. The next step is to format the result to a specific time format that you prefer. To do this, right-click on the cell that captures the result, which in this case is cell C3, and select Format Cells. This will display a Format Cells dialog box. In the Number tab, which should be selected by default, you can either select any of these pre-existing time formats in the time category, or you can create your own custom time format by going to the custom category. The format that we're going to use here is the hours and minutes format, which is going to be represented by H, column, and MM. This is just the time format that I like to use here, but you can select and use any time format that you prefer. And then all we'll do is press the OK button. You'll notice that the result has now been converted to hours and minutes, and that's it. You can now drag the formula down and see the results for all the hours that we've listed in column B. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.